Hi students, this is Rajendra. Welcome to Rajendra Reddy Chemistry Point. In previous videos, we discussed about the how organic molecules can be represented. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about degree of carbon. Not only degree of carbon, degree of hydrogen, degree of alkyl halides, and degree of amines. All these we are going to discuss in this video. First of all, degree of carbon. So what is the degree of carbon? Let us see here. So degree of carbon. So in the degree of carbon, we have primary carbon, nothing but 1 degree carbon. Okay, so what is primary carbon or 1 degree carbon? Primary carbon means the carbon which is attached to only one another carbon. The carbon which is connected with only one another carbon is called primary carbon. Okay, the carbon which is connected with only one another carbon is called primary carbon. Let us see here. CH3 is directly connected with the CH3. This carbon is directly connected with only one carbon, so that this is primary carbon. This carbon is also directly connected with only one another carbon, so this is also primary carbon. Okay, so here the secondary carbon. So 2 degree carbon. So what is this? The carbon which is connected with two another carbons directly are called secondary carbon. Okay, let us see here. Let's take an example. So this carbon is connected directly with two other carbons, so that this is secondary. Okay, this is directly connected with two other carbons, so this is secondary. This carbon is connected with only one another carbon, so this is primary. This carbon is directly connected with only one carbon, so this is primary. So the third one is tertiary carbon. So tertiary carbon means the carbon which is directly connected with three other carbons is known as tertiary carbon. So the carbon which is directly connected with three other carbons is called tertiary carbon. Okay, let us take example. So here this carbon is directly connected with 1 to 3 carbons, so this is tertiary carbon. This carbon is directly connected with only one carbon, this is primary. This carbon directly connected with only one carbon, this is primary. This carbon directly connected with only one carbon, this is primary. So the next one, quaternary carbon. So 4 degree carbon. So what is carbon? What is quaternary carbon? So the carbon which is directly connected with 4 other carbons is called quaternary carbon. So we know very well that carbon forms how many bonds? Only 4 bonds. So the carbon which is directly connected with 4 other carbons are known as quaternary carbon. So let us take an example. Now here this carbon is directly connected with how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. So this is quaternary carbon. Now this is connected with only one carbon. So this is primary. This is connected with only one carbon. Primary. This is connected with only one carbon. Primary. This is connected with only one carbon. Primary. So this is about the degree of the carbon. Okay, and here in CH4, here the carbon does not connect with any other carbons. So this is called as super primary carbon. Okay, though the carbon of the methane is called as super primary carbon. Now let us discuss about degree of hydrogen. So here, primary hydrogen, that is 1 degree of hydrogen. So the hydrogen which is connected with primary carbon, okay, hydrogen connected with primary carbon is called as primary hydrogens. Whatever the number of hydrogens which are present at the primary carbon, those are known as primary hydrogen. The next is secondary hydrogen. Secondary hydrogens are nothing but, so whatever the number of hydrogens connected with the secondary carbon ki any hydrogens attached unte, it is called as secondary hydrogens. Okay, so next, secondary hydrogen. Next, tertiary hydrogen. So tertiary hydrogen is nothing but the number of hydrogens connected with the tertiary carbon are known as tertiary hydrogens. Okay. The next, quaternary hydrogen. So the number of hydrogens connected with the quaternary carbon. Quaternary hydrogen is nothing but the number of hydrogens connected with the quaternary carbon. Those are known as quaternary hydrogens. Actually, there is no existence of quaternary hydrogens. Okay. Let us take here a simple example. So here CH3H3. Now we know very well that this carbon is primary carbon. This carbon is also primary carbon. How can you say? This is connected with only one carbon. This is also connected with only one carbon. So total, how many primary? Here 2 primary carbons. This primary carbon contains how many hydrogens? 3. This primary carbon contains how many hydrogens? 3. So total number of primary hydrogens are 3 plus 3. That is equal to, so primary hydrogens is equal to 6. Primary hydrogens is equal to 6. Now here, let us take an example. CH3, CH2. Here, how many secondary carbons? Only one secondary carbon. This is secondary carbon. So to the secondary carbon, how many hydrogens are there? Only 2 hydrogens. So here, secondary hydrogens are 2. So the number of hydrogens connected with secondary carbon is only 2. So that secondary hydrogens are 2. The next, let us consider here. So this is which carbon? This is tertiary carbon. This carbon is tertiary carbon. So for this tertiary carbon, how many hydrogens are there? Only 1 hydrogens. So the tertiary hydrogens is equal to 1. So here quaternary, let us see once that. So this carbon is called as quaternary carbon. Okay, quaternary carbon. Is there any possibility to have hydrogens? No. Why? Because already it has 4 bonds. So no hydrogens. So therefore quaternary hydrogens are not possible. Okay. So the hydrogen which is connected with primary carbons are known as primary hydrogens. The hydrogens which are connected with secondary carbons are known as secondary hydrogens. The hydrogens which are connected with tertiary carbons are known as tertiary hydrogens. Let us discuss about degree of alkyl halides. Before discussing about degree of alkyl halides, we have to discuss what are halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are known as halogens. These are belongs to 7th A group element of periodic table. Why these are known as halogens? They are obtained from the sea salt. So that they are known as halo means sea salt. They are obtained from the sea salt, so that they are known as halogens. Now what is alkyl halide? Alkyl halide is nothing but those are the derivatives, means those are the compounds in which these halogens are combined, means bonded with the carbon. Those are known as alkyl halides. Now this is called as alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is nothing but binding of halogen with the carbon. Binding of halogen with the carbon, then it leads to formation of the alkyl halide. Halogens can be written as X. X is nothing but fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. So here now let us discuss about degree of the alkyl halide. Now what is the degree of alkyl halide? So degree of alkyl halides are again primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide are also there. Let us discuss about primary alkyl halide. So first one, primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. So if halogen group or if X group is attached to the primary carbon, attached to the primary carbon, it is known as primary alkyl halide. When the halogen is attached to the primary carbon, it is known as primary alkyl halide. So let us take an example. So CH3, CH2, CH2X. So this halogen is attached to the primary carbon. So this is primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. Okay. So the second one is secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. So when it is called, so when the halogen is attached to the secondary carbon, it is known as secondary alkyl halide. So for example, you can consider here CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay. So here this is secondary carbon. To this, if halogen group is attached, it is known as secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. This is secondary alkyl halide. Now let us know tertiary alkyl halide. Third one is tertiary alkyl halide. So it means that when halogen is attached to the tertiary carbon, it is called as tertiary alkyl halide. So for example, CH3, CH3, CH3. Now to this, so already we know that. So here this is tertiary carbon. To the tertiary carbon, halogen is attached. So this is known as tertiary alkyl halide. This is example for tertiary alkyl halide. These are the primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyl halide. Alcohol functional group is OH. So here the degree of alcohol is depends on the degree of carbon to which OH group is attached. So let us take an example. So here first of all, primary alcohol. Primary alcohol means if the OH group is attached to the primary carbon, it is called as primary alcohol. For example, CH3, CH2OH. So this is primary carbon. To this primary carbon, OH group is attached. So this is the example for primary alcohol. And then next take the secondary alcohol. If the OH group is attached to the secondary carbon, it is called as, so now this is secondary carbon. So that this is secondary alcohol. Next, tertiary alcohol. So tertiary alcohol means if the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon, this is tertiary carbon to which OH group is attached. Now this is called as tertiary alcohol. Okay, this is about the degree of alcohols. Alcohol is nothing but OH. OH is the functional group. If the OH is attached to the primary carbon, then it is primary alcohol. If the OH group is attached to the secondary carbon, it is secondary alcohol. If the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon, it is called as tertiary alcohol. Let us take some examples. So here first of all, so this is, now find out whether it is primary or secondary or tertiary alcohol. Okay, OH. And third one is OH. And fourth one is OH. The next one is OH. So now here you find out this one, primary, secondary, tertiary. Now this carbon is 1, 2 secondary carbon. So this is secondary alcohol. Now this carbon is also secondary carbon. So this is secondary alcohol. Now this is tertiary carbon. Why? Because this is to 1, 2, 3 carbons. So this is tertiary alcohol. Now this is this carbon attached to 3 other carbons. So this is tertiary alcohol. Now this carbon is attached to only 1, 2 carbons. So this is secondary alcohol. This is the way to find out the degree of alcohols. Next, degree of amines. So yeah, so this is NH3, NH3. This is the formula of ammonia. If one hydrogen is replaced with the carbon, means alkyl group, this is primary amine. Now 2 are replaced with the carbon, secondary amine. 3 are replaced with the carbon, tertiary amine. Let us see. So here NH2. If nitrogen is attached to only one carbon, this is called as primary amine. This is called as primary amine. If nitrogen is attached to the two other carbons, this is secondary amine. This is secondary amine. If nitrogen is attached to the three other carbons, so here pair of electrons also there. So this is tertiary amine. So these are the degree of amines. Now find out whether these given amines are secondary, primary or tertiary. So here let us find out first of all. This is NH2 and the next one is NH2. Okay, so here next NH. Now here this nitrogen is attached to only one carbon, so this is primary amine. Okay, nitrogen attached to three other carbons, so this is secondary, three carbons, so that's tertiary amine. Nitrogen attached to only two carbons. Okay, nothing is there means carbons are there. This is secondary amine. Nitrogen attached to only one carbon. This is primary amine. These are about the amines. So here for the given structures, you have to calculate number of primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, and primary hydrogen, secondary hydrogens, and tertiary hydrogens, if any. So here first one, the structure is given here is this one, and second one, and third one, and next this is okay. So now calculate. So in this structure, how many primary carbons are there, how many secondary carbons, how many tertiary carbons, how many primary hydrogens, secondary and tertiary hydrogens. So here this carbon, nothing is there means this carbon is attached to only one carbon. This is primary. This is attached to two other carbons. So this is secondary carbon. So this is again primary carbon. So now how many primary carbons are there here? 1, 2. Two primary carbons are there. Okay. Then secondary carbons are only 1. Tertiary carbons is there? 0. So here primary hydrogens. How many primary hydrogens are there? Means here this carbon has 3 hydrogens. This carbon also has 3 hydrogens. Total 6. So whatever the hydrogens which are attached to the primary carbon are known as primary hydrogens. So total 6 primary hydrogens are there. Secondary hydrogens are, so here only 2. 2 secondary hydrogens are there. So tertiary is 0. The next one is this. So here this is primary. This is also primary carbon. This is also primary carbon. This is tertiary carbon. So here how many primary carbons? 1, 2, 3. So 3 primary carbons are there. 3. And is there any secondary carbons? No. 0. Tertiary carbon is only 1. So primary carbons 1, 2, 3. So each primary carbon has 3 hydrogens. So primary hydrogens are 1, 2, 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 primary hydrogens are there. And the next secondary hydrogens are there? No. 0. Tertiary hydrogens. So this carbon has only, tertiary carbon is there, only one tertiary carbon. It has only one hydrogen. So this is okay. The next one coming to here, this is primary, this is primary, this is primary, this is also primary. Sorry, this is secondary. This is secondary, and this is tertiary. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 3 are the primary carbons. So 3. So here the next coming to secondary carbons are only 1. Tertiary carbon is only 1. So primary hydrogens 1, 2, 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 primary hydrogens are there. Secondary hydrogens only 1, 2. 2 are secondary hydrogens. Tertiary hydrogens only 1. Next coming to here. So all these are, this carbon is to only 2. This carbon is attached to only 2. Let's just change the structure. Okay. Now let us see here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is primary carbon. This is also primary carbon. This is secondary. So this is tertiary carbon. So this is tertiary carbon. Okay. So this carbon has to 1, 2, 3 other carbons. So tertiary. This has to only 1, 2, 3. So the next is secondary. Secondary. Okay. So here let us consider how many primary carbons are there. 1, 2. 2 are the primary carbons. Now here secondary carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 secondary carbons are there. Next tertiary carbons are 1, 2. 2 are the tertiary carbons. So here, so 2 are the primary. For that 6 hydrogens are there. 6 primary hydrogens are there. And the next secondary hydrogens are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 secondary hydrogens. 5 2 is 10. 10 secondary hydrogens. So tertiary hydrogens are only 1 to 2, so that 2 only. So this is the way to calculate the primary, secondary, tertiary carbons and hydrogens. Okay. So based on that, I will give some examples. For that, you have to calculate whether it is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, primary amine or secondary amine, and how many primary hydrogens are there, how many secondary hydrogens are there, so how many primary carbons, how many secondary carbons are there. That all of that you have to calculate. Now, in this case, find out degree of carbon and hydrogen for following molecules. For these molecules, you have to calculate degree of carbon and degree of the hydrogens. Now, in the second one, find out degree of alcohols. In this case, you find out the degree of alcohol. Now, third one, find out degree of amines. Now, find out the degree of amines from this. Next, fourth bit. So, from this fourth, find out the degree of alkyl halides. You find out the degree of alkyl halides for these molecules. So this is your work.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.